What if tonight you looked up at the sky and the moon was gone? No warning, no explosión, no eclipse, just empty darkness. Would we even notice? First, maybe not. The stars would shine brighter than ever before. In fact, a full moon is about 14,000 times brighter than Venus, the next brightest object in our night sky. Without it, every night would look like a perfect new moon, incredible for stargazing. But by sunrise, we would realize something terrifying. Because the moon isn't just beautiful, it's essential. The moon has the strongest influence on Earth's tides. Without it, high and low tides would shrink by nearly 75%. That might not sound dramatic, but it would devastate life along our coastlines. Crabs, mussels, sea snails, countless organisms live in tidal zones, depending on the rhythm of rising and falling water. If tides weaken, entire coastal ecosystems collapse. And when small species disappear, bigger predators follow. Within decades, we would see massive population declines, not just in the sea, but on land too. Every year, something extraordinary happens in the Great Barrier Reef. After a full moon in November, coral colonies, across an area larger than the state of New Mexico, release millions of eggs and sperm into the water, almost simultaneously. It's one of the largest synchronized spawning events on Earth. Scientists know the full moon plays a role in this timing, but they still don't fully understand how. Now imagine that signal suddenly gone. The reef's reproduction cycle could fall into chaos. And that's just one example. On land, animals also follow the moon. On Christmas Island, millions of red crabs migrate from the mountains to the sea, perfectly timed with the last quarter of the moon. That's when females release their eggs. Without the moon's light and gravitational cues, these migrations could fail. Nature has been using the moon as a clock for millions of years. Remove the clock, and the schedule collapses. Now here's something we rarely think about. Tides don't just move water up and down. They help mix ocean currents. Cold Arctic waters blend with warm tropical waters, distributing heat around the planet. This mixing stabilizes our global climate. Without strong tides, that balance weakens. The difference between the hottest and coldest places on Earth could grow to dangerous extremes. Weather patterns would become far more chaotic. Forecasting storms? Nearly impossible. But the most dramatic change wouldn't happen overnight. It would take centuries, maybe a millennium. Right now, Earth tilts at about 23.5 degrees, and the moon helps stabilize that tilt. Here's how that tilt works. 23.5. Ring operator. 23.5. Ring operator. That small angle is why we have seasons. Without the moon's gravitational pull, Earth's axis could wobble wildly, shifting anywhere between 10 and 45 degrees. And that would be catastrophic. Even a small change in tilt has altered Earth's climate before. Scientists believe past shifts of just 1 to 2 degrees may have contributed to ice ages. Now imagine a 10-degree shift, or 45 degrees. Entire regions could freeze permanently. Others could become unbearably hot. Seasons would become extreme, unpredictable, possibly unlivable for many species. Some experts believe Jupiter might help stabilize Earth slightly, but not enough to prevent major climate chaos. And here's the final twist. Many scientists believe the moon didn't just protect life. It may have helped create it. Over 3.5 billion years ago, strong tides may have played a crucial role in concentrating the chemicals necessary for early life to form. In other words, without the moon,